Now let me show you how you can put the Notion widget on your Mac desktop. So the way that it works is that you have to have the widgets panel like on the screen like this, and you can right click on that area and click on edit widgets. And this is essentially going to pull up the widgets panel below, and you can scroll through the options until you find Notion. So when I click on a Notion, you can see that I can add all of the widget sizes which are available. But there is one very important caveat, because you can see right there that it says from iPhone. So this only works if you have an iPhone connected with your Mac. And of course, you need to be using the very same Apple account, right? So on my Mac, I'm using this one, and on the iPhone, the very same Apple account. So it's like all connected together. And if you go and enable the mirroring option, right, you can essentially see that you'll have to have the Notion app right on the iPhone, of course, and then the widgets are gonna work on the Mac as well. So right now you can see when I go to the edit widgets on the Mac and locate Notion, as I said, it only works because it's all connected through the iPhone. So I can add like this widget from Notion in here, paste it in there, no problem. But as I said, it only works because of the iPhone. So when I click on it, it needs to be set up like this, and I need to choose the widget right in there. So as I said, it is essentially connected from the iPhone. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about that below. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.